When it comes to summer fashion, I have got you covered. Summer is supposed to be effortless, easy, and breezy. I will be sharing with you affordable looks for less. If you are brand new here, I am 41 years old. I have 4 children ages 5 through 12, and I am 5'7". And when it comes to pants and bottom sizes, I'm a size 2 to a 4. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in that description box below. I'll also pin it in the comments section. And to make your shopping even easier, make sure that you're following my Amazon storefront, www.amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. I will link that down below as well. All you have to do is click photos and it's going to take you to everything that I talk about here in this video. In fact, I post on Amazon before I post anywhere else. So if you want a sneak peek of what's up and coming, well, there's where you want to be. These green and white plaid gingham shorts, these feel so good on the body, so lightweight, almost wrinkle resistant, and I love this green color. Nice ruffle detail here on the bottom, great length on these shorts, and I also love the functional drawstring tie, a little ruffle here at the top, lots of give here so you can eat out your heart's desire, enjoy all of your favorite summer things and still feel comfortable. You can really elevate these shorts, or you can make it super sporty and casual with white sneakers, a baseball cap. Oh, and if you missed part 1 of this video, I'll be sure to link it down below in that description box. Moving into this skirt, I did not have a white sporty skirt. I live in these when it comes to summertime because I can do all the things with my kids. I can do the walking outside, the running, I don't know, whatever I feel like doing, a bike ride on a whim. I love the stretchy material on this. They also have pockets on the inside of the shorts, which makes it awesome if you're going to go on a walk, you want to put your keys somewhere. Maybe you need to put, I don't know, some AirPods somewhere. Great length on these. You could do a lot with these. You could wear them golfing, you could wear them to tennis, but you could also wear them just out and about in your everyday life. Moving into this skirt, I love this. There's a zipper on the back so you could put anything that you want to on the inside, and I love this blue color. These feel so nice and lightweight. These are going to be perfect for a hot summer day. This is by the brand Santini, I think is how you say it. I actually have, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 other athletic skirts from this brand because I love them so much. The quality feels amazing as well. Now these shorts, I put these on, I'm like, these feel exactly like several pairs of capris that I have purchased last year that I will be wearing again this summer. And truth be told, they are by the exact same brand. However, it's in the shorts version. I love these, and these are a high-rise short, which you know I love, which can cover up any problem areas, or you know when you sit down, if you've had kids, I've had 4 kids, so that skin area, you don't want that hanging out. So I love these for that reason. They also look very refined and put together. And I have to say, these are also pretty wrinkle resistant. Some fun functional pockets both on the front and on the back. There's also belt loops. So if you really wanted to elevate this and dress this up, put a belt on it, you certainly can. These would be great for a date night. You could put a nice heel on, a black top or a white top, and you're set. Super quick, if you are enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. These white shorts, now these are a low rise short. Now I'm not typically a fan of a low rise short, but these are really nice and comfortable. These can really go with so many different things, a lot of options, a lot of versatility. You can dress these up because of the material and the form and the fit, but you could also dress them down if you just wanted to wear some sneakers, go to a baseball game. White is excellent for the summertime. It's going to keep you much cooler. These fun little shorts, I mean, come on, the flowers, the color, just very airy, very effortless, girly and fun. They actually have functional pockets. You feel like you're wearing pajamas when you put these on, which is awesome, especially in the summertime because you're running here or there, or maybe your kids are all home like many of mine will also be, but also trying to work at the same time. Man, summer is quite a doozy, if you know what I mean. Thumbs up if you can relate to me or you know what I'm experiencing when it comes to that. So these sort of shorts are fun to just throw and go. A nice pair of black shorts that you can dress up, you can dress down, you could wear it to church depending upon your church setting. You could wear these for an event, a baby shower, a bridal shower, anything really. They go with so many different things. Nice functional drawstring on them. I also love the length and of course some functional pockets because you know with kids and grandkids or maybe you have nieces and nephews, there are always things that you're holding on to for somebody else, I feel like. So pockets, love them. These fun denim shorts, I love the raw hem sort of fringe detail here on the bottom. I'm not quite sure what we would call this. Pockets here on the back and also on the front. It has a nice drawstring. These are nice and stretchy. I'm going to be wearing these all throughout the summer because so easy to put on with a t-shirt or any sort of plain tank top, a polka dot tank top, a striped tank top, I mean, any sort of tank top. These butterfly shorts, I love these. They look like sort of a skirt from the front. I love these for a lot of different reasons because you can elevate them, but you can make them very casual. How I typically wear these in the summertime would be with just some sneakers of my choice and a nice, easy breezy, lightweight tank top or t-shirt. And can I just say, I absolutely love this red color, especially 4th of July coming up. Just quintessential color, but all year round in my book. These black denim shorts, now I'm loving these. Nice, high rise. Also, they are a little bit longer, which is fun. You can wear these for a date night. You can wear them out and about. They have functional pockets both on the front and on the back. They also have some belt loops. So if you wanted to pair this one of your favorite belts, you can. I would probably wear this with a white t-shirt, a crop t-shirt, maybe a button down of some sort, and you can never go wrong with black and white. These blue shorts, I am obsessed with these. These are, I don't know, probably in my top 5, I have to say. These are by the brand Pretty Garden. They make a lot of different colors and sizes, and they rarely run out of stock, which I love. Pleats on the front of these shorts. They also have cuffs here on the bottom, functional pockets on both the front and the back, and belt loops if you wanted to put a belt with these. But these just felt so good on the body. These are going to go with so many different things. A nice, beautiful pinstripe short. This is black and white, very flowy, very effortless. It has functional pockets here on the front, nice drawstring, nice and stretchy. The nice thing about the shorts that I'm showing you here today is you can wear them as a low rise, a mid rise, or a high rise, depending upon how you feel and how you like your shorts to fit. I typically like mine as a high rise, again, just covering any of that lower belly area, being 41 after 4 kids, if you know what I mean, dealing with some thyroid issues. The bloat is real depending upon the day. But that's beside the point. Moral of the story of this, I like shorts that are so versatile for your body and how you're feeling on that particular day and whatever it is that you have going on. These brick red, that's what I'm going to call them here, or maybe a burnt orange short. It has a nice eyelet detail, nice stretchy waistband, so pretty and beautiful and girly. Also, I love the ruffle detail down below. These also are going to go with so many different things. Black, gray, cream, beige, apricot. Yes. This beautiful black skirt. In fact, I have this. I'm almost 100% confident by the same brand in a yellow version that I got last year, and I'm bringing it out again because I love it, but I don't yet have it here in the black. I love the embroidered detail here down below. Very effortless, nice, stretchy waistband. Great for a date night, a brunch, going out, running errands. You can make this very sporty if you wanted to as well. This is probably my favorite short slash skirt in this video. In fact, this is probably my favorite piece. I love this. I love the buttons here on the side. It's very comfortable. Now, typically, I don't love this with it looks like shorts on the back and then it's like a skirt on the front. I'm not usually a fan, but when I put this on, I love this. I love the wash on this. I'm going to be living in this. I see myself wearing just a nice white tank top, a white t-shirt, or even a button-down white shirt. You can never go wrong with white shorts in the summertime, especially it being hot. In fact, I think I just did a count. I pulled out all my summer stuff from last year that I'm going to be wearing again, and I probably have 4 or 5 different white pairs of shorts. Now, they are subtly different, each of them. I'm sure we can all say that about certain things in our closet. But I love these because I didn't have one yet, this particular style. This is more of a dressy version. This is by the brand Pretty Garden, which I love. Now, these next came in a pack. Now, I would not wear these out in public, maybe just to like quickly run in my mailbox in the morning time or something like that because they are a little bit shorter. These are perfect for lounging. These are perfect for pajama, nice and lightweight. And I love the color combination, the yellow, the blue, and the pink. Throw these on with a t-shirt or a tank top, especially in those hot summer days. Or maybe you want to throw these over your bathing suit if you're headed to the pool. These are how I'd wear these shorts. These next denim shorts, oh, these are so fun. I love the flare detail on them. Nice and stretchy. You got to have a lot of good stretch in my opinion. Very comfortable. It has functional pockets here on the front and also on the back. I love a good jean short if you can't tell because you can do so much with it. And probably my favorite thing is to pair this with is white. It's just so crisp and clean and elevated. Only 2 more here and I am getting sad. Okay, these brick red shorts or burnt red, I don't quite know how the Amazon listing classifies it, but I love these because they are shorts, but it looks like a skirt. Pair this with a beige, gray, black, or white top, and it's gonna look so beautiful. You can wear these with ballet flats, you can wear them with sneakers, you could also wear them with a wedge sandal. You could wear this for a date night, put a really nice fun heel with this, or a wedge sandal in the summertime, and you are easy breezy and looking good. I love these shorts so much. I showed them in last video video, but in a navy blue option. Here they are in the green and white. I don't have a ton of green in my closet when it comes to summer, so I opted for these, and I am so excited. These feel so comfortable. They're almost wrinkle resistant. I love the length on them. The pattern is also super fun. High-end look for less. Nice stretchy waistband, functional pockets. I cannot say enough good things about these shorts. Let me know what you have planned for this summer in that comments box below, and also make sure that you're following on Facebook and Instagram because I post there pretty much every single day, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.